Are you interested in obtaining a pre-designed website with features such as dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, courses, business pages, and a selection of over 1,000 themes? Alternatively, if you require assistance with elements like hosting, plugins, themes, or general support for building your first website, we've got you covered. Feel free to explore mmolearn.com and reach out for any assistance you may need. Now, I'll guide you on how to download Avada and numerous other plugins and themes for free. Head over to mmolearn.com and utilize the search feature located in the middle of the page. Alternatively, you can navigate to the All WordPress Plugins section. Once you've entered Avada in the search bar, you'll see multiple matching plugins. Select your preferred plugin from the list. You'll find the plugin description along with the download button at the top right corner of the page. Just a reminder, make sure to register for a free account before proceeding.